Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today, we're going to explore the word punyeta in depth. First, the definition. Punyeta means a Filipino expletive expressing frustration or annoyance. Think of it simply as a common way to vent when things go wrong. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Punyeta traces back to puñeta originates from the Spanish puñeta, meaning a hand gesture considered offensive. Over time, it's been used by Filipino speakers as a strong expression of frustration. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use puñeta in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. She shouted puñeta when she realized she forgot her keys inside the house. Correct example 2. He muttered puñeta after the traffic jam made him late. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to puñeta the cake, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using puñeta correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Puñeta means a Filipino expletive expressing frustration or annoyance. It comes from Spanish origins, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with punyeta down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.